Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn what is shell, subshell and orbital. Before starting the lecture, please like, subscribe and share my all videos with your friends for more interesting and fascinating lecture for free. So let's start. According to the Bohr atomic model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a fixed circular path, and these fixed circular path, according to the Bohr model, these circular paths are called shells. In these shells, electrons are revolving continuously. These shells are also called energy level. These are shell or energy level, and these shells are represented by small n. Each shell is described by n value, and here the n value may be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. As the value of n increases, the shell number increases. Here the n value is 1. This is n, and here the n value is 1. Similarly, this shell have n value 2. Similarly, this shell have n value 3. And similarly, as we move away from the nucleus, the n value will increases. Here the n value is 4. And these shell are also represented by alphabets. That is, first shell, that is, and when n is equal to 1, this is K shell. And when n is equal to 2, this is L shell. When n is equal to 3, this is M shell. And when n is equal to 4, this is N shell. Now we will discuss what are sub-energy level. These are the shell or energy level. Now we will discuss sub-energy level or subshell. These are also called sub-energy level. How can we define these? So a subshell is the area in which electron moves within a shell. So every shell has equal subshells. Means every shell has equal number of subshells. When n is equal to 1, it contains only one subshell, that is S. When n is equal to 2, it contains two subshells, that is S and P. When n is equal to 3, it contains three subshells, that is S, P and D. And when n is equal to 4, It contains 4 subshell, that is S, P, D and F. And along these subshell we write their n value. That is, this is the subshell of n1, that is 1s. This subshell belong to n2, we write 2. These subshell belong to 3. These subshell belong to n3, so we write 3 with all. Similarly, these subshell are the subshell of n4, so we write 4 with all. So here, for example, we write 3D. It's mean that third shell, and D is the orbital of third shell. D is the orbital or subshell. We read it as this is the orbital of 3 third shell, and we can define orbital as orbital are the region of subshell. So the orbital are the region where the probability of finding the electrons are maximum. So orbital are the region in the subshell where the probability of finding the electrons is maximum. As we have learned, there are 4 subshell: S, P, D and F. S subshell are in spherical in shape. Subshell are dumbbell. We have x-axis, that is dumbbell in shape, and similarly D subshell are double dumbbell. And F are also more complicated. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.